Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to guide you through a process of installing Docker on Ubuntu 22.04. For this we would need a server with Ubuntu and internet connection. If you already have these, let's start. Small note, I will add all these commands to the video description so you could easily copy paste. So before starting of installing Docker, what we would need is to make sure that there is no any old conflicting packages. So for this once, we run this command, which just loops through these packages and I'll try to remove them. Let's run it. In my case, looks like nothing was here already. For the next step, we need to add Docker official GPG key. So we do this with these commands. It would take a few seconds, so it's would run update and install CH certificates, curl, and add this. So as we have this one, the next one is to add the repository to apt source, and we do with this command. It also on the end will run update, and we see it's ready. So to install Docker itself, we have few options. One of them is install with the latest, and that we could do with this command. But I will show also another way where you can actually select exact version. So for installing exact version, so first to get list of possible versions, we run this command. So see, it gave a list of all possible versions what we have. So we select one of them. We'll take the top one. We copy this one. What we could do also next for the easy one, so we assign this to environment variable, and then in this case we run this command. As you see, it's passing through this variable to docker-ce and docker-ce-cli, and enter. It asks if you really want to install. We say yes. It will take a couple of minutes. Here we go, and we have it. So let's do check version. Okay, that's good, that's got installed. What we could do also is to test container itself, so we could do sudo docker run and standard hello world. What it does, it's checking if locally we have image, if not, it's downloading and running. And if you see this screen saying hello from Docker-ce, that works. One thing that makes sense to say, as you saw, I'm running sudo docker. You could actually resolve this issue, but you would not need each time to do sudo. And for that one, what you could do is add your user to Docker group with this command. And then just to activate this, you do new group Docker. And in this case, it's already should be running without sudo. So if you run again docker run hello world, here you go. It does not ask you for the sudo anymore. So for Docker commands itself, you could check a list of possible commands. There are a few of them. The main ones what you quite often would use is docker ps to check what's running, ps-a showing even what it was running. So you see why 2 tries of run a container itself. Also we have docker images, which will give you a list of downloaded images. And with more deeper commands we'll go in the future videos. So with Docker installed, we are ready to start using containers and packages to deploy applications efficiently. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tutorials like this. See you in the next video.